What's up?
Hello guys. Hello, guys. Welcome. How are you guys doing today?
Awesome, bro. Awesome.
Hi, Defi. Hi, Summer.
Hey, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey guys, hey Josh.
Hello, Ken. Hello, everyone. It's a little bit noisy in here, guys. All right. Is the audio fine, guys? I know there's a lot of background noise.
Yeah, loud and clear, bro.
Okay. We'll go ahead and take a look at the charts, guys. So far, it looks like we staying above the support on the 26K. So what we're seeing is we are seeing a rejection. So what I expect to see is a retrace on, let me zoom in so you guys can see. Okay, so what we're gonna see is a retrace on the 12-hour. So we're likely to see Bitcoin and it touches the trend line here. And that's gonna be a key moment. Once it touches the trend line, if it doesn't bounce off of it and continue to pump to break the next resistance, guys, which is at 28K through the 30K ranges, then remember we're gonna see Bitcoin drops to the next support, which we outlined here yesterday. Then we might start to see Bitcoin drops down in these areas, which is the low 20Ks. So the next 12-hour will give us a good indication of where the market is going in general. But if it does come down here and retest the next support, it's gonna be fast moves. It's gonna be these candles here. In 2 days, you will see Bitcoin go all the way down to the low 20Ks and reverses quickly back up, but it's gonna move with a lot of volatility. Because remember, the monthly candle is gonna close. So it's gonna form a new monthly candle for June, and that monthly candle will be a bullish candle. Yeah, I do apologize for the background noise, guys. On the 2-hour charts, it's a bullish uptrend because you see price is maintaining inside the Bollinger Bands. As long as price stays in the Bollinger Bands, then price will continue to rise until we break out above the 30K ranges. But the next 12 hours, we will know exactly where Bitcoin will go, because we have to wait until it touches the trend line on the 12-hour. And for those that, that remembers how to read the MACD, notice that on the 12-hour, remember we mentioned whenever we see, the light green bars, that means volume is decreasing. So we are witnessing this. So that's an indication that we are going to retrace back into 27K, the low 27Ks, even might spike to 26K 700s. And then once they get there, we'll get a confirmation of where Bitcoin will go. If it holds support at the trend line at the 27K and 26K 700 600s, then we'll know Bitcoin is going to break up 30K ranges with a lot of volatility. And if it does, support doesn't hold, then we know where it's headed. So we'll be watching this very closely. Because the project here is just to help you guys understand the markets, help you stay ahead of the market so you know the moves before they happen. And if anyone has any questions, do feel free to ask about the charts, the project in general. So the next point we're looking to see Bitcoin gets to, guys, is here. 27K, low 27Ks. I would say about 27,100, 200s. And then once they get there, we'll see if it bounced off the trend line, which is the middle line here. That forms as a resistance and support. But if it starts to break down here and gets into the low 26Ks, then we are expect Bitcoin to drop some more. But long term overall, the market's bullish, guys. If we look at the 3-day charts here, there's not much data, but we can kind of make an idea of what's happening here. Yeah, the 3-day is very bullish, guys. This is also the weekly time frame as well. Yeah, we're bullish. So it seems like We had a spike here, but I don't think it happened on the exchanges. It just happened on Dexto. Those are the wicks you should watch out for. If Bitcoin does come down, it's gonna happen this quick. In 1 day, as it goes down, then the same day it reverses quickly back up. Yeah, overall we're bullish, guys. So the bull run is here, and our projects are perfectly in line to ride the pump. Because a lot of people make the mistakes of launching in the red markets, and they wonder why the coin goes down. But every coin follows the market, unless you have a strategy that, like we have, that the bear market doesn't matter to us. We'll continue to maintain green candles. So let's take a look at the Bulls Run charts. Yeah, we're still in the green. A green is green. And it's the most bullish starts we've had during the entire red market, guys. Check this out. We've had a few sells, but everyone's selling at losses because the high tax. We've had a small minor dip right around here, but it's just a glimpse in the chart. Yeah, you can see a huge pump is coming. This is the weekly time frame, weekly chart. And just be aware, guys, just for you guys that's passing through, that this project does have 69% sell tax. So you want to be able to hold. If you have any funds you want to put into the project, just be aware that there is a temporary high sell tax. So if you're going to need the funds for a short period of time, no need to put it into the project. But our strategy is working, guys. So even when we get to millions of dollars of liquidity and billion-dollar market cap, we're gonna maintain this uptrend. We're barely gonna have any dips. Those long holders that's been holding long term will be able to take profits comfortably without even hurting their charts. So we are setting an example of how a good project should run, of how a crypto project should run. So everyone has the misconception that everyone lose money in crypto, or someone has to lose money in order for the other person to make money. The tokenomics makes the big difference in every crypto. If it has a portal, then yeah, people are gonna lose money and make money. But if you have economics, everyone is have a good tokenomics. Everyone can earn the digital every transaction. If if everyone starts trading this cryptocurrency for products and services, and we're gonna start in Dubai. So once everyone start conducting transactions, remember every transfers incurs a small fee that burns the tokens and then increases the value. So imagine just millions of transactions happening per day. That's how fast the tokens are going to get burned. So that creates hyper deflationary events and make the tokens a hyper deflationary. So the price just continue to skyrocket. So that's how you develop a coin in a project that everyone can benefit and everyone can make money. So no one has to lose money, and you just have to wait your turn to take profits, which is how investing works. Like I said, we'll make an example of how a token should be developed, created with tokenomics that everyone can benefit. No one has to lose money. And the beautiful thing is, you guys are very early. If we look at on a monthly time frame, we're just one candle. Well, two candles. That's how early we are. And we control the project too, so we know it's only gonna continue to go up. So most other projects people get into, they can't control where the project goes. They can't control whether the team continues to build, continues to push the project. But we control our destiny. Just notice through all the pump and dumps of Bitcoin, of the meme coins, this project barely budge. So we have, that just shows you, we have understanding of what makes the market moves and what makes a coin moves. So we're using that to our advantage. I don't think there's any projects doing what we're doing, preventing pumps and dumps.
That's what's made it stand out, bro.
Yeah, exactly. And we've been running everyday VCs. So for anyone that has any doubts, or any questions, they can have the question answered. But we know where we're going, guys. On the next pumping, when the market starts pumping. So we can make a list of 5 to 10 coins you guys should have in your portfolios. We're on a steady climb on the 4-hour for Bitcoin. So we're likely to see it retrace, as stated, to the lower 27,000s, let's say around here, to retest this support here. And we'll know where it stands if it breaks it or bounce off the support in about 12 hours from now. I want you guys to take a look at the chats. If you guys can check the screen here. I want you guys to look at the future billionaires. Just take a screenshot. You'll remember this. Let's take a screenshot. Yeah, just take a screenshots of the future billionaires, guys. It's us that stays while the market is red, continues to build and be present. We gain the knowledge. And also we gain understanding of the market as well. That's what separates billionaires from average people, is they have knowledge. If you were to tell me when I first got into crypto, someone was teaching me charting, knowing when to get in and out of crypto, imagine how much money I would have saved, or at least I would have made.
Whole lesson, bro. I mean, even some of these people are making millions and millions now with their TAs and charting. They have all made mistakes as us. Every single one.
Yeah, exactly. Some learn from their mistakes and to make sure they don't repeat it. like us, and some they're not even aware that they're making a mistake, so it's difficult for them to even correct the mistake. So that's unfortunate on their part because if you seek the knowledge will reveal itself to you. A lot of people don't care for that.
I'm working in the background, ordering a cake for my daughter for her birthday.
Nice.
Happy birthday to your daughter, Jigga.
Oh, it's in July, but you have to order it now because
Oh, okay.
they're
Well, happy
backed
early
up.
birthday. Nice.
Yeah, thank you.
That's great. Especially
In a month in
exciting.
advance. Damn. How much money they making?
Bro, I don't know, but they just charged me $150 for
Wow.
614 cake. Ridiculous.
Must be a really, really great company.
I'll let you guys know on the day of my birthday.
You should learn how to make it.
Yeah, I know.
What make more special for her?
Hey, I'm gonna ask them to put Binance, powered by Binance, on the
Cool.
bottom of the cake.
That's great.
Hey, DeFi, there's no audio going on.
Is it muted?
It's you.
Yeah, I was drawing a few outline here. So the yellow line is if price breaks below it, which is the support, then we're gonna see Bitcoin gets to the low 20Ks. But when it comes down and bounces off, and if it does bounces off, then we're gonna see Bitcoins get ready to explode upward. So in 12 hours, we'll know exactly where Bitcoin's gonna go. All right, guys, we'll end the stream here, and we'll catch you guys on the next stream.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye.
Peace.